Hello. I got this Suburban from a customer. He have a crank shaft position sensor code. The car takes like 6-7 seconds to start, and I found out that he already changed the camshaft position sensor, which is the one behind the starter. I don't know if I can get a clear vision. Anyway, yeah, it's right there. You can see the gray sensor or gray socket behind the starter. So it's anyway, it's behind the starter, and I found out it looks like a brand new. And so I built my wiring diagram, and I found out that there is a cut right there. So I checked the plug with the multimeter. Was only one of the wire is good, and the other two on the side, the one in the middle was fine. The other two on the side with no signal or anything. So I checked it from the computer harness block, and nothing coming up. So I follow the wire, which is the one over here. I took the bracket off, so I follow from here with no signal until I follow the wiring coming this side, and I found this cut right here. So I'm going to connect it, and it should be good, and it should start right away. Just share this for someone who did the same, like just to change the sensor and still have the same code instead about to replace the ECM, but you're gonna have to check the wiring first. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.